6:44, and the tropics are getting very interesting. We've got two systems to watch now. We'll start with the less important one. Even though it's remarkably close to the United States, something's wrong here. Notice the center is here and all the activity is on the south side. There's a whole lot of wind shear that's really going to limit this storm quite a bit. It is a tropical depression though, Tropical Depression 6, and we do think it probably will become Tropical Storm Erin. All it has to do is strengthen 5 miles per hour and it'll be a tropical storm. But it's going to looks like remain a weak tropical storm because of all that wind shear. And notice that it stays offshore until it gets way up here into Canada. So the impacts are looking small, probably enhancing the rip current threat for the East Coast, maybe a few lighter showers along the coast, but does not look like major impacts. Now, it's another story completely when we talk about Tropical Storm Dorian. Now, what's different this morning from yesterday is it's actually a little bit weaker. 50-mile-per-hour sustained winds with gusts to 65. That's good news for the Caribbean, but the story today is it's looking worse for the U.S. now, because it's all going to depend on the exact track the storm takes. Yesterday, it looked like it was going to go right over the island of Hispaniola, and that's key, because if it goes right over the island, that's going to significantly weaken this storm. If it stays just offshore, though, it's going to maintain as a tropical storm and probably could strengthen a little bit. Notice 70-mile-per-hour sustained winds when it's probably going to be making landfall somewhere in Florida Saturday night. And notice 70 miles per hour, that's awfully close to hurricane strength. There is a possibility it could be a hurricane when it makes to Florida. There's still a lot of questions in the intensity of this storm, but at the very least, we know it's going to be bringing rain. Whether it gets there as a tropical depression or a hurricane, there's going to be a ton of rain in Florida. Look at the rainfall forecast for the next 7 days, with the bulk of this rain occurring this weekend. There is absolutely, as long as there's not some major change to the forecast, going to be flooding in Florida. Meanwhile, on the opposite side of the Gulf, no, we are not worried about flooding. Now, our rain chances will be coming back late in the week and into the weekend, but it looks like mainly sea breeze stuff, isolated showers and storms, so probably more rain closer to the coast, less rain out west. I do think probably all of us will see some rain by the end of the Labor Day weekend, but not nearly as much as what they're going to be dealing with in Florida. That's going to be a big story that we will be keeping you posted on, not just now, but through the weekend as well. Today, no chance of rain. Again, that rain chance not coming back until late in the week. 100, just sunny to mostly sunny skies. Not many clouds around today. There'll probably be a few clouds most of the day, but not much. It's going to be just as breezy as it was yesterday. Gusts around 25 miles per hour, and you know it, very hot. Another heat advisory, the 24th of 2019, everywhere except Stark County. Please don't think it's not going to be really hot in Stark County. Your humidity is just a little bit lower out there, so you just miss heat advisory criteria. But plan on this today. It's not going to feel any cooler than 109 this afternoon, and it could feel as hot as 114. It's going to be another warm night as well. Mostly clear skies. Winds not as strong as last night. We'll see lows reach around 80 degrees. Again, no chance of rain for the next 3 days. A 10% chance for Friday, 20% chance for Saturday, and our best chances of rain are Sunday and Monday. And with those better rain chances come slightly cooler temperatures as well on your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast. More news coming up in just a bit.